Understanding the phrase, by birth. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used phrase in the English language, by birth. Whether you've come across this term in reading or conversation, or this is your first time hearing it, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on its meaning and usage. By birth is a phrase that refers to the circumstances or characteristics a person is born with. It can relate to nationality, ethnicity, city or region of origin, and more. Essentially, it's a way of saying, since the time someone was born, or from the moment of birth. Example, she is Japanese by birth, but she grew up in Canada. In this example, the phrase tells us that she was born in Japan or to Japanese parents, even though she spent her formative years in Canada. To get a better grasp on any phrase, it's always a good idea to see it in action. Let's look at a few examples. 1. He is an American by birth, but he has spent most of his life in Europe. 2. By birth, she has a royal lineage, but she prefers to live a simple life. 3. Even though he was a Londoner by birth, he always felt a strong connection to the Scottish Highlands. From these examples, you can see that, by birth, is a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts to emphasize a characteristic or trait from the time of someone's birth. There are a few misconceptions related to the usage of by birth. Here are some pointers to keep in mind. By birth does not refer to the act of being born. It's about the intrinsic qualities or characteristics one has from birth. It's different from by nature. While both can refer to inherent qualities, by nature leans more towards personality or inherent tendencies, whereas by birth typically relates to circumstances or characteristics one is born into. Example, she is curious by nature, but she is Canadian by birth. And there you have it. The phrase, by birth, is a simple yet profound way to describe inherent qualities or circumstances from the time of one's birth. We hope this explainer has shed light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and soon, using this phrase will be second nature to you. Happy learning!